What's up guys, Sean here. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to remove background noise in Audacity. So before I get started, I just want to tell something. So if you watched my previous videos, you'll know that I make previous Audacity tutorials. You'll know that I make these tutorials in very small parts. So the first tutorial was only about downloading and installing, and the second tutorial was about the basic features. So I do it in small parts because just in case if somebody has doubt and they want to refer to my video, and if I make the video 8 minutes long, then it'll be hard for you guys to find the part where you want to refer. So if I make it in small parts, you just have to take the video and then you can just refer to it. So with that said, let's get started. So first I'll just record a audio, and then I'll hit this record icon, and I'm recording now as I speak, and I'll just stop it. So now let's just say this part here, that's our noise. So first we'll select our noise by left clicking and dragging. So we'll select that, and then we'll click effect. We'll go down to noise reduction. So the first step is we have to get the noise profile. So before we click that, let's just check the second step. So we see noise reduction in decibels. So I have set it to 7, and if you slide it all the way to the left, that indicates how much you want to remove the noise, and if you slide it all the way to the right, it just increases the volume of the noise. So I keep it at 7 because if you keep it entirely at 0, you'll end up removing your own vocals. So I'll keep it at 7, and then now we'll hit the first step, get noise profile. We'll click it, and so now we'll select the entire track by double clicking, and then we'll again go to effect, and we'll click repeat noise reduction. So as you guys can see, the noise has been removed, and now when we play it, and I'm recording now as I speak, and I'll just stop it. So now as you guys can see, it's a much crisper recording. And that's all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. This is Sean signing off.